Morning. Sunflowers are looking really good. Look at this. Because the sunshine is on, it's not really sunny, but because it's up there, so the sunflowers, some of the sunflowers are not facing that way really, but most of them they are facing that way. So this is the sunflowers. Look, may something. Look, there's a bee. I don't know. So there's the first group of my sunflowers. Got some marigolds here. They're really crowded. I didn't, because I did not expect that they're going to grow all of them. So I just put this in here just because when para sila sa sa slugs. But some of the dahlia, this is dahlia, they're overcrowded here. I didn't know that I did not expect that they're gonna grow, so I'll just leave them. I don't want to disturb them. And this one, lily, I just planted this. I just got this last Saturday. I need to put some more soil. I'll do it tomorrow on my day off. And this is the second group of the sunflowers. Second group. Okay, let's go first here. This is the top bit. So this one have been eaten by slugs too, but this one have 3 flowers coming up. This is slugs. Slug came up here eating it, and this one is coming out now. There is one there. So that's the second group. The third group is this one. And third group. And did they all survive? Yeah. So this one is a tiny one, small one. Oh my goodness, there's some more flowers coming out. Wow. There's some small flowers. This one didn't grow, but it looks like there's flower coming out. This one, even though the leaves have been eaten by slugs, seems like the flowers coming out. This one didn't survive. And this one have nice flowers. Sorry, I was just looking at my potato plant. Then, so this is so this is the third group. 1, 2, 3. The fourth group is here. They're group by group. I did not expect that they will grow all together. Oh, did not expect that they're gonna grow. So this one here, I think they all survive on this group. So this one is small but have flowers. This one, the flowers is really good. Look, and this one as well. This looks healthy. There's another one there and there. Wow, just wow. We're going to the fifth group, which is down here. The fifth group, they are the first. Ay, natanggal. Ay, may alalahipan. Sorry, natanggal. So the fifth group of my sunflowers are down here. But they are the fifth group, but they are the first one that I planted out. And they are really looking so good. I mean, some of them did not survive. Like this one here, there is one here. There was one here, but it didn't survive. And there was 2 there. Didn't survive. I replaced it from this one was on top, and it looks like they don't like the soil, or they don't like the where they were, so I transferred it here so that they can have good vibes with these big ones. So look at these. They're it seems like they're going but there are some more flowers coming out. Look, there's more here, there. I don't know if they're gonna survive. As long as the weather is good, I think they will survive. So that one is still coming up. They look healthy. Look. Dyan. Look, my bee that they're making. Oh, natakot. Sorry. Takot. So, these are really, I'm really pleased. I'm so proud of myself right now. Because I did not expect that all of the sunflowers would grow like this. This one is still coming out. They are, and look at their stems. They like the soil here. So what I did, I planted it with compost, and then that's it. Then just water them. That's it. There you go. Guys, tingnan natin ang ipinagkaiba ng male na na bulaklak ng melon. Melon? What did I say, melon? This is ano nga ba to? Squash. I forgot the name na. So, basta I forgot na. Hi guys, may i-share lang po ako. Ito ay ngayon ko lang napansin. Kasi itinatakip ko siya doon sa may bunga. So, ito siya, walang bunga. Look. Walang bunga. So, yan ay male. Yung female, ayun kasi tinakpan ko na siya. Yung female, naghanap tayo ng female na bumubuka yung bulaklak. Wala nang female na bumubuka ang bulaklak. Ano yan? Male. Yan, male yan. Oh, may parang ano siya, yung putong-tong. Putong-tong ng ng male. Yung female, maghanap tayo ng female na bumubuka. Wala na ako makita. Doon, meron doon. Ito. Ito, inanahan ko na tala. May mga bunga. Tanggal yung isa yata. Yung female. Ano to? That's male. Maghanap tayo ng female. Malaki na yung isa. Oh. Malaki na. Hanap tayo. That's courgette naman yung courgette. Hanap tayo ng female na bumuka. Wala akong makita. So, female na bumubuka. Walang female. Nakatikom na yung mga female eh. May mga bunga nakatikom. Oops, ay. Tulad nito. Ito. Nakatikom kasi. Tumikom na. Ayan. Ayan. Bulat-latin natin. O diba? Iba yung may bunga. Ito siya may bunga oh. Sorry. Pumpkin pala to, pumpkin na yan. So, yan. Iba yung niya, no. Yan. Yan ay female. At ito ay male. Ano na yan? Ito ang male. Ito ay male. Yan. O, diba? Pinagkaiba nila. Sorry. So, yan. Yung ibang mga bunga na siya, nagdidilaw. Tapos natatanggal. Iwan ko ilan lang ang makakasurvive nito. Pero at least mayroon. O, diba? Tapos yung mga kamatis ko. Akala ko hindi ito mabubuhay din. Pero mamulaklak. Hindi siya kasing lusog nung kamatis ko na nandoon sa mga tubs. Ayan. Tapos ito kailangan ng aruga. Kailangan anuhin yung bongkalin yung lupa bukas na kasi may pasok ako ngayon. So, saka meron dito nakahiwalay lang. Ito potato to. Potato nga pala yan. Potato, ayan. Ito siya parang malusog yung nasa dulo. Ito siya. Hala, ang taba nung isa. Tanggalin natin itong yung mga kahoy. Bawal tumubo. Hala, ang taba. Pero wala pang bulaklak. Ano to siya? Cherry tomatoes, yung maliliit na. Ito, oh, namumulaklak. Napilitang bumulaklak. Oh, yung liit-liit ng ano na yan. Isa. Tapos ito, oh, naglalaklak na sila. Ito siya, ano to? Sili. Hindi siya, ano yan? Pepper to. Yan, may mga bulaklak na. Ang dami palang bunga dito sa likod, oh. Ayan. Pinitas kasi namin yung nasa kabila nung pumunta yung mga friends ko. Yung ganto kasi para siyang chicharo, no. Yung ganto yung hindi pa umaano. Ingay ng ibon, no. Kita niyan, Robin. Saan ba yan yung maingay? Nakakatuwa magtambay dito kasi yung mga ibon parang masaya, hindi parang ito, ano na to, pwede na to bukas mag harvest tayo. Wala kasi akong pastas, bumubulaklak pa siya, oh, tumutubo pa. Kailangan kong lagyan ng net na para kumapit dito kasi umaano sila doon banda, gumaganon. Ayan, may ginawa akong ano, abuno, yung ano niya, yung ano, sauce ng isda. Maganda daw yun eh, kaso nilalangaw. Wala, may bulaklak, oh. Ano to? Butternut squash. Ating sa UT, ewan ko kung totoo yan. Yan. Ang mais talaga ang pinaka-highlight sa akin kasi never pa akong nagtanim ng mais. Oh, diba? Parang ang tataba pero usok. Ito, ewan ko kung ano to. Ano yata ito eh. Beetroot. Tapos ito, rhubarb. Hindi ko na alam. So dito kami nag-harvest noong nandito yung mga friends ko. Nilagay namin sa gulay. Kagabi, kumuha ako ng konti. Hinalo ko sa ano, nag-stir fry ako. Then, yan. Dito na tayo sa taas na may branan. Ito kung ano bang nangyayari dito, kung okay ba siya. Wala, parang mulaklak, oh. Bulaklak yata yan. May umaan. Matinik siya, guys. Ano to, gooseberry. Tingin ko bulaklak yan. O baka ano lang, bagong ano lang. Mga to kasi ano to eh. Kailangan kong linisin ito. Tapos ito maano to, masakit sa balat pag na ano. Ang ating potato. O diba, oh, kita niya yan, potato. Parang malaki siya. Parang malaki. Ayan, oh, laki. Meron pa doon. Tabunan natin kasi gusto nila yan maano. Mag-green kasi siya pag ano, walang tabon. Ay, meron pala doon. Yan. Hindi po guys, I never expect na gaganto to. So yan, may nangangain na ng dahon. Tapos ito, kailangan ko talagang anuhin to. Ayan. So yan lang, tour tayo. Tinur ko kayo sa ating maliit na garden. Kasi yung ating spinach, tingnan nga natin kung may dahon pa. Wala na, ano na siya, hindi na maganda yung dahon. Pinitas ko kasi ito, oh, maganda. Mga wildflowers lang yan. Diba ang ganda? Ay, ito ito kailangan kong tanggalin ito kasi itatanim ko next year. Ganda nito. This is my purple, maliit. Yan. Iba-ibang kulay. Tapos ito white. Guys. May purple pa dito. Yeah, maliit pero maganda. Uy, ito ang ganda. Oh, ganda. Diba? Good morning everyone. Nandito po tayo sa TP Woods. Si Peanut nag-ano lang, paddle. Hindi siya naligo, hindi siya nag-swim. Ha? Yeah. So, yan, walang naglalakad na iba, kami lang. Yan. Tahimik yung yung pond, malaking pond. Ayan.
It's professional on a glass floor. It's nothing, is it? No, it's nothing. It's also not easy to close out matches, and at least we'll know that. I think that's why we're just getting a little bit of an extra